Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make candy pineapple. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including a fresh, ripe pineapple. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer for precise temperature control. Prepare your workspace by lining a baking sheet with parchment paper, which will prevent sticking. Cutting the pineapple into consistent slices, about 1/4 inch thick, ensures even cooking and a beautiful final product. Now, let's create that irresistible candy coating. In your saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until the sugar fully dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature, aiming for exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. With your syrup at the perfect temperature, it's time to coat the pineapple. Carefully dip each pineapple slice into the hot candy mixture, ensuring it's fully submerged. Use a fork or tongs to lift it out, allowing any excess syrup to drip back into the pan. Place the coated slices onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. It's crucial to let them cool completely, which can take about 30 minutes, to achieve that satisfyingly crisp candy shell. Once your candy pineapple is fully cooled and hardened, it's ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their crispness for up to 1 week. These make a delightful snack, a beautiful garnish for desserts, or even a unique gift. They're truly a sweet and tangy delight. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy candy making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.